Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be showcasing the game Fun Monkey Horror 2. The main map is pretty much mine, so we're going to go to mines first. So yeah, there's a bunch of maps. There's a rotation thing, but I'm going to go to mines first because it's, you know, kind of the best.
Oh my god.
Go!
What's happening? Oh.
That kid just died. That kid definitely just died.
Who dare say my name?
Oh yeah.
No,
It's probably not even coming.
Everyone, what's up?
Oh my god! I don't know if y'all heard that, but I heard a tiny little bird for like a second. Oh, that was good.
Who said I'm gonna eat you?
I don't think, because like the sound is a little bit, like it's all the way up to me. But for you guys, it's kind of like low. So it won't show the exact things I'm doing.
Come on, don't worry.
Like, yeah.
Guys, it's down here.
It's down here.
When is PG in this game?
Did you ever stuff it down there?
You!
It's a fucking It's so crazy, guys.
I heard screaming!
I heard screaming.
Guys, I'm using my body right now. Follow me, I know where it is.
I just have a feeling. I don't know.
Go, you belly button.
Dude, I have a feeling he's over here.
You shut up, baby.
Alright, let's see what is wrong.
This is takes too long, belly button. Come on.
Guys, I have a feeling that he's not over here. Clearly, there's like nothing there. Rock the boat, cover up the
Follow me.
I
I know where it is. It's this way.
Rock your boat. Ankles, where you going? Where you going?
Go! Go!
Guys, it's over here. I told you. I told you. Oh, sorry.
Fucking go!
My condolences. He's somewhere over here. Ooh, yep, 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 yep,
Yeah, I'm going.
Oh my god, this is scary, bro. I'm going in, bro. I'm going in the sting zone.
Oh my god, guys, shit. Where's it?
Go get the monster!
Go get the monster. You're literally blocking my sign.
Welcome,
You're blocking my sign.
Oh, this is the one that has the
I'm
big
kind of scared.
Stop coming!
Not what I expected mine to be.
Oh my god! I dropped my control. I just dropped my controller again. I just saw that thing. It looked at me in my eyes, and it just ran away.
The door, you nigger.
Oh my god! My condolences. Yep, definitely my condolences.
It's gone.
It's over here. I know where you are. You can't get away from me. And no patico, meow meow. I just see a bunch of screaming. Oh! Sorry for laughing. Yo, he's over here. He's over here. He's over here. Let me live! No! Yo, I told you guys!
I forgot to tell you it was super loud, bro.
Shut up, you 5-year-old!
Please continue! Video, haha. I'm not gonna die. I'm just not gonna die. It's just impossible. It's just impossible.
She's sitting. Oh my god.
Oh my! I bet we all check it all out, yo. Okay, somebody come here.